Assalamu alaikum. This is Talk to Farina Najam from Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lower Mall Campus, Lahore. The course title is Advanced Landscape Painting and the course code is Fine 4135. Today our topic is about shades, tints and tones. Dear students, this is a practical topic. Value in art is essentially how light or dark something is on a scale of white to black, with white being the highest value and black being the lowest value. On the other hand, you could have many different values of the same hue. These are called tints and shades. You can produce tints of a color by adding white and shades by adding black. You can create shades, tints and tones of a color by adding black, grey and white to a base hue. Shade. A shade is created by adding black to a base hue, darkening the color. This creates a deeper, richer color. Shades can be quite dramatic and can be overpowering. Tint. A tint is created by adding white to a base hue, lightening the color. This can make a color less intense and is useful when balancing more vivid color combinations. Tones. A tone is created by combining black and white or gray with a base hue. Like tints, tones are subtler versions of the original color. Tones are less likely to look pastel and can reveal complexities not apparent in the base color. Shade, tint and tones. You can create shade by using black with hue. You can create tint by using white to a base color. Tones, you can create tones by adding gray with base color. You can see hue means pure color, tint hue plus white, tone hue plus gray, shade hue and black. Example of landscape painting. You can see the tint and shade in this painting. Example. You can see the tint and shades of one color. Another example, tint and shades of red. Another example, tint and shade. You can see in this painting. Another example, another one. Tint and shades of green. You can see in this landscape painting. Another one. Shades and tint of blue. You can see. Another example. Shades of blue, and tints. Thanks.